Hello world, this is Random Fix, and I just moved to a new house and I only have one garage door opener and I have two cars. So I want to be able to use my garage door opener with both vehicles. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily replace and program a new garage door opener from one of these clunky OEM remotes to something a lot more compact like this that can just attach to your keys. And the nice thing about it is I don't have to worry about leaving this on my visor and somebody breaking into my car and getting into my house. So this is definitely a big benefit, and it's portable, and I like the feel of this. And two of these are under $20 for both, so I got a pack of two, and it comes with 4 buttons, so you can actually program 4 different garages or gates to this. And stay tuned, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this from start to finish. And by the end of the video you'll be able to just simply click on your new garage door remote like this, and your garage door opener is going to open this for you. You will need a little stepping stool and most likely a Phillips screwdriver just like this. So you're going to have to get on your ladder, and you're looking for a programming button, and to access that program button you're going to have to remove this cover right here, which is normally held in place by some clips, or in my case these 2 screws, which just need to be loosened up. And when you loosen these up, you're going to go ahead and remove the cover here, and with the cover off you're going to be able to access the actual garage opener right here. So you want to go ahead and hit the purple or learn button on your unit. Once that starts blinking about twice per second, go ahead and hold your remote button, push it again, and that will confirm that you are actually programmed now. And there you go, my remote is working, and all I have to do is repeat the same exact step for my other remote, which I've already gone ahead and programmed. So both of these are working now. How easy was that? Alright guys, I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if it was, please give the video a thumbs up, and I'll have a link to the remotes here in the description box below as well. Have a fantastic day. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to smash on the notification button as well.